Happy holidays, Merry Christmas to all. It's morning time in Hawaii, and I have just received my Christmas gift, and I was told that I might as well do an unboxing, and I cannot wait to see what I got. Christmas morning in Hawaii. What could it be? Let me peek under here. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a little bit. All right. Oh snap! It is a 3D printer, an Anycubic. All right, so here is all the tools that comes with it, and I'll break it. We'll go through it in a little bit. Okay, so you gotta lift up. And this looks like an easy put together because most of the pieces are all already assembled. Ooh.
That one is definitely bigger.
The Anycubic S. So I'll just read the instructions to make sure I have put it on correctly.
And we'll be right back.
Screws, Allen wrenches, pliers, power cable, and this looks like to attach the filament to it. Yep. Yeah. Attach the filament on the side, which was different from the other 3D printer I had, the previous one, where you attach it on top, and then the one before that, the Anycubic 13 mega, did not have the option to attach filament. So this is a nice little surprise. I got my scraping tool. And this is something new. A little nice looking flash drive. I appreciate that. And an after sales card. Ooh. And these are always good. And it comes in a container, which I appreciate. Because now if I need to like kind of clean up the nozzle, I can check to see if it's blocked or not. So very appreciated. So I was doing a comparison with my old Anycubic 13 Mega, and I noticed that this is the same size. To do a size comparison to the Anycubic S. So, but it looks like the bed is slightly bigger, because when I had to take the old piece out, I was like, okay, wait a minute, it's slightly rectangular, and I think that is due to the attachments, how it, the top is attached to the side and bed. That's probably why it's like slightly rectangular, to accommodate for that. That's how it's attached, so that is different. So, can't wait to put this together and start a leveling and prune. But this is my Mega S unboxing for Christmas. You know, thank you to my lovely husband. I appreciate everything. You know me so well. All right, and everybody else, have a Merry Christmas, and there'll be plenty of videos to follow.